President ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee wa Vincent H Pala badeiru udkhot ka ying dorbar thawain ka Lok Sabha na Shillong uloong ba tharai ba Dr Mukul sangma menteri rang ba barim ka jalau non phai biang ka Congress uloong ba ka Congress ka ri seng sain perthai ka ba kipai ba kidon jisinia ba kability banle bha ka election amle arjar pulai.
I think that is beyond my jurisdiction. When Mukul left or if Mukul comes, there's nothing to do with me. That has to be done with him and maybe with somebody. But that is only a rumors. So rumors remain a rumors. I don't think so.
But are there chances of any of the leaders getting back?
Next we call
I don't know. I don't think so. I don't think Mukul is a full shifting party from one to another and back to square one. I don't think. He is smarter than you and me. I think there's no question of Congress is weak. If you see, Congress is the only party who will be having a candidate strong, and the voters are still with the Congress. If you go to be in Janta Hills, be in Ribhoy, be in West Khasi Hills, be in Kyrwoh Hills, I think Congress this time is the most favorite of the voters this time, because people realize, but be the farmer, be the businessman, be the business community, and be the government servants, they have faced lots of problems for the last 5 years. Therefore, the only hopes this time is the Congress. So it's only depend on us. If we give a good candidate, educated with a clean image, I think we should do well in the in the election. I think it will be more than you expect. Most of the people, they look down at the Congress, but if you analyze constituency by constituency, we are doing much better, and we are improving also. So I don't think that we need any pre-poll alliance as of now. As of now, we are going to fill all the 60 seats, but the numbers is too early because it doesn't depend only on the Congress. It also depends on the other parties who fill the candidates. So it's very early to indicate now how many of us are getting. But definitely we should do well.